Hey Spoops, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this Veronica Corningstone inspired makeup look from the Anchorman. I'm actually very proud to say that I grew up watching the Anchorman, and so that is one of my all-time favorite movies. And what I'm trying to do is every Halloween I kind of want to have a cursed Halloween character. Veronica is not the cursed character this year, but if it maybe helps inspire you to stick around, one year I turned myself into 𝐌𝐞𝐝𝐢𝐚. I'm turning myself into Veronica, which she pairs well with. So I don't know, maybe subscribe and stick around because that sounds like there's some more fun things to come. So like I said, if you're not already, definitely make sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel because I'm uploading a new Halloween themed makeup tutorial every weekday for the entire month of October, so you guys definitely don't want to miss it. And also, I will have my Halloween playlist linked down below full of every single Halloween character I've ever transformed myself into to help give you some more inspiration as well. So anyways, with that being said, if you guys are interested in seeing how you can transform yourself into a Veronica Corningstone this Halloween, then just keep watching. And thanks for stopping by. Hey Spoops, so to get started, I'm going to be popping in some blue contact lenses and going ahead and pinning my hair out of my face so that way we can work on the base of our makeup. I'm going to be starting off by taking my Pixi Rose Plus Perfector and going ahead and applying that all over my face to give it a little bit of a luminous glow before going into my Fenty Skin Sunscreen and applying this over my face to help moisturize it. I'm then going to be taking my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer and applying this all over my face, and then going into my Becca Cosmetics Under Eye Highlighter. I'm going to be applying this under my eyes to help brighten them, and then to color correct, I'm going to be going into my Milani Supercharged Peach 120 Concealer and applying this under my eyes, and the orange tones in this concealer is really going to help conceal my dark circles and the veins under my eyes. I'm then going to be taking my MAC Strobe Cream and going ahead and applying this to my cheekbones, and then real quick I'm going to be going into my Kosas Concealer in the shade 1.5C, and I'm going to be going ahead and using this to go ahead and lighten my eyebrows, so I'm just going to be applying it onto my brows and then brushing that out with a spoolie. For my foundation, I'm going to be taking my Kosas foundation in the shade 200 Light Medium and applying this all over my face with my IT Cosmetics Airbrush Blurring Foundation Brush. I'm then going to be taking my Buckle Benny Beauty Cream to Powder Foundation in Mocha, and I'm going to be using this as a cream contour, so I'm going to be applying it to all of the places that I would like to deepen and add some more dimension. So this is under my cheekbones, my jawline, my forehead, and the sides of my nose as well, and then you just want to make sure to go ahead and thoroughly blend all of that out. I'm then going back into my Kosas 1.5C Concealer and applying this to the areas that I now want to highlight. So this is going to be under my eyes, the sides of my nose, my forehead, and then just going ahead and blending that out as well. I'm then going to be setting my face with my Laura Mercier Translucent Powder and this Powder Puff Triangular Sponge before moving on to contour, where I'm going to be taking my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and going ahead and applying this to the areas that we applied the cream contour earlier. And then for blush, I'm going to be going into my ColourPop Court of Miracles blush and really building this up on my cheeks to give me a nice bright flush. Then for my highlighter, I'm going to be going into my ColourPop highlighter in Coronation and applying this to my cheekbones. Moving on to eyebrows, I'm actually going to be going into my ColourPop It's a Princess Thing palette, taking Grumpy on an angled brush, and I'm actually going to be using this to fill in my eyebrows, and then going ahead and setting that with my Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setting Gel. I'm then going to be taking my Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Primer and applying this all over my eyelids before going back into Grumpy, and on a fluffy brush, I'm just going to be applying that on the outer corner of my eye and blending that into the crease, and also bringing that down to my lower lash line as well. I'm then going to be going into Ray, and I'm going to be applying that to the inner corner of my eye and blending that into the center of my lid, and also applying this to my brow bone for highlight as well. I'm then going to be taking Fairy Godmother and applying that to the very center of my eyelid, and then I'm going to be going back into Triton, and on a fluffy brush, I'm just going to be using that to blend that into the crease. I'm then going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Black Eyeliner and just creating a nice simple line right on top of my lash line there. Moving on to eyelashes, I'm going to prep my eyelashes by curling them before taking my Tarte Maniator mascara and going ahead and sweeping that through my upper and my lower lashes. And then for lips, I'm going to be going ahead and taking my ColourPop Lippy Pencil in Oh Sis and nicely outlining the perimeter of my lips. I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Animal Crossing Orange Cutie Lip Crayon and applying that all over my lips, and then going in with my ColourPop Disney Designer Bobbity Lip Gloss and applying that right on top. For my lashes, I decided to go with my Kiss No. 1 lashes, and I'm just going to be applying that right on top of my lash line, and then I'm going to set this whole look with my One Size Beauty Until Dawn Setting Mist. And that is my completed Veronica Corningstone inspired makeup look from Anchorman. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. Also, if you haven't already, please consider supporting me on Patreon. You can support me for as little as $1 a month and receive all exclusive behind the scenes sneak peeks of upcoming makeup looks before anybody else, and it really does help support me and my channel. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!